Wala pang may anak bag. Itang requirements kasi medyo masaki yung bagya.
Okay.
Kailangan natin ang valid title. Ding school building sites. Ay, school sites, I mean. Alalang ang titulo din Mabilog Pilipinas.
So ito po yung
Di takla mo rin titled under the name of DepEd or the LGU. Basta't may yung school site.
Opo.
Kasi remember, all these schools were established after the Second World War.
Opo.
Yung time na ito, donasyon na lang kwenteng gabon na lang makain balor. Biye, pamira mo rin landlord, then may gabon. O na ngayon may sakit, makatitle ka rin keng DepEd yan. Ito nga mo yung solusyon ko yan. Declaring all school sites, existing school sites, as public property. Of course, that is expropriation. Then, pamayad kang kay just compensation. Consonance with the Supreme Court ruling that when a private property for a long period of time is being used for public purposes, it already attained the character of a public property.